Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, today we have another unboxing that came in the mail. This recently arrived today, and let's see what it is. Oh, perfect. I know exactly what these are. These are Tesla Model 3 rim protectors. See, I ordered a few that I found on Alibaba Express because of how important these are to your vehicle. So let's take a look. There's one that I ordered on Amazon before, which was a little more expensive. But these I found on Alibaba Express, and I wanted to compare the quality and basically see the differences. Yeah, it looks like the exact same item with the 3M. And to be honest, this one has more of a gloss finish on it compared to the other one. All right. Yeah, this one has more of a gloss finish. Looks very, very well, and this looks pretty much long enough to cover all 4 tires. Now, quality looks really good, really good, and I highly recommend purchasing rim protectors. They're a low-cost item, but I tell you, their value is unbelievable. They'll get you out of a problem when it happens. All right. So I'll probably be performing an install. So I'll look forward to that. And it was another short video. So that's all I got to say. Thank you and have a nice day. Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.